Hey there, welcome to or welcome back to No Pants Profits. My name is Richard and today is day one of the show floor being open at IAAPA. This is IAAPA 2025 in Orlando, Florida. And part of the closing of day one is there's a company called Sky Elements that makes drone shows. And they're going to be doing a drone show right about as soon as it gets dark. They're going to be doing a drone show. But what I want to do is I want to go over to Sky Elements and figure out, I think it's 6:15 is the drone show. So pretty much right after the show floor closes, I want to go over and kind of figure out some of what's going on tonight, and then I'm going to bring you the drone show. So I'm not going to be able to monetize it because there's probably going to be music and stuff like that in the drone show. I want to show you how it is, but I want to go ahead and figure out, drone show tonight, how many drones are in it, what's going down, everything like that. You can see we're over at the Sky Element, so we're going to see at 6:15 tonight. But I just had some fun technical questions. Question for you. How many drones are in the show tonight? Do you know?
Tonight will be 800 drones.
800 drones? Is that your biggest one that you currently do, or?
It is going to be a really nice size show. Our average show is probably around 300, 400,
So this is a big show?
This will be.
But it won't have fireworks in it, correct?
It will.
It will? You have fireworks in tonight's show? Oh, because I've seen it before. That I've never seen a drone show with fireworks. So it'll be some of those similar kind of effects?
Absolutely.
Oh, I'm excited.
Yeah.
I'm excited. I just wanted to figure, so it's 800 drones tonight.
Correct.
And where are they do you know where they're launching from?
The North Concourse.
So watch it from the North Concourse, but they're launching from the lawn, like right across the lawn.
6:15.
Right, 6:15 on the dot. And there's music on it too that they're going to pipe to the North Concourse. Perfect.
Yeah.
Do you do any ones in Orlando now, or have you?
We do some Universal shows.
Oh, you did the Universal show. We'll just that one, right?
That one.
The one, yeah. Thank you. So I'm going to bring you the Sky Element show at 6:15. When I say that one, a drone fell out the sky, hit a kid on the head. So yeah, but there is a drone show with fireworks, but I have to do it. I did it earlier. I have to do it again because they say don't do it. I love the red button. That's my favorite. I love the red button.
Got the button for you.
Yes. When you have a giant red button, you must push it. Coming up right now, well, everybody loves pushing the red button. Literally all they are is an FX company. And I have to say, I'm glad they don't have bad smells, because the other phone company I'll never forgive for earlier. But 6:15, a couple minutes time for you, a couple seconds time for you. You'll see the drone show from the North Concourse at IAAPA, the first closing day of the show floor, 2025. Enjoy. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Something should start. Oh, it's right there. We're blocked completely. Wonderful. Thanks, IAAPA.
Into the extraordinary world of attractions. This year, you walk towards something new, a new attraction humming with energy, like it's been waiting for you. You are greeted by a seasoned time traveler, the genius behind the new attraction. There you are. Perfect timing. Has anyone told you that you've got that spark? Eyes full of curiosity, mind ready for the unknown. You're the perfect traveler for this ride. Let me show you my latest invention. You study this new character. His coat is patched from adventures across ages. This isn't your usual attraction, but you didn't come here for usual. You're here to explore. Across the world, people like you are looking for inspiration. Well, sometimes you need to go to the past to see the future.
去下面吧，看看看吧。
yeah. Yeah, that, yeah, I think that's what that goes.
People like you are looking for inspiration. Come on, climb aboard and let's get going. Let's get going.
Fuck up. Oh. Holy crap. Smack, 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 smack. Oh.